Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then move to the extra features, advanced features sorry for that. Then we'll be able to find motions and gestures. First one is lift to wake. When activated, you can lock your device, and then when you pick it up, it should unlock the screen, not the phone, without touching any buttons. It's kind of tricky, and most of the time, for me at least, doesn't work. So yeah, but now it actually managed to work. Next is a double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. And here, if we lock our device and double tap, it should unlock. And when we double tap again, it will lock the screen. It also works from the home screen, so that means you can do it here as well. And it might work from some of the applications. You can try if you like. Then we have alert when phone picked up. If you receive any call or a message and you haven't noticed, next time you pick up your phone, it will vibrate to let you know that you received one of the messages or calls. Mute with gestures. Mute incoming calls and alarms by putting your hand over the screen or turning off your phone face down. So if you receive any call or alarm and you want to mute it, you can put your hand over the camera like this, and it should mute it. Also, you can flip your phone to the screen, to the table or to the surface, and it should also mute that call or message. Then we have palm swipe to capture, and it works like this. It's kind of tricky and most of the time doesn't work. So you just need to swipe your palm across the screen like this, and it will capture the screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.